must watch this video full, because if you skip just 1 second, so it's possible your account could be suspended. So before my videos, people said to me that their account was banned and suspended by Google. So in this video, we will discuss all thing. And if I use with my different account almost 5 and 6, but still I didn't face this thing. So for that kind of people who said this word, so we will cover for them how to save them account also. So in this video, must watch this video full, and in this video we will see how to you can use Cloud Code free, open code, open Cloud free, and Codex free. So without wasting time, we will start this video. So first thing, we should install 9 router. Now what is 9 router? You can see here, free AI router, and it provide us multiple models where we can use multiple free models, and there is also paid model. And without wasting time, we will keep videos short. So now we will install it first. Gulam, also you should install this,
Yes,
and if any error comes, so we will discuss together.
inshallah.
Here is installing. So must in your PC Cloud Code first we should install. I like to install via npm, and you can do via direct curl or cmd. I have also, so you can see it, I have before. So now you should first, when you will run this command, so it will be installed. Gulam, you run this command.
Yes,
So is install or
and
installing?
installation was complete.
Yeah. What?
Installation was complete.
Okay.
Installation
So
was completed successfully.
yeah. So nice. So do you have Cloud Code before?
No.
If not, so copy this command and paste. So you can see here I have 9 router
Reset.
and also Cloud Code. So without wasting time, first I will remove Cloud Basic, because some people face the multiple errors from Cloud side tokens issue. So we will also discuss that thing. Where is Cloud? Where you can see Cloud.
Here is it installed.
I
Cloud
am
Code.
doing from start everything. So now I will run direct Cloud. Gulam, did you install Cloud Code?
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
So
yes. I
now,
installed.
okay. So now we will choose dark mode and enter. Now it is direct. If it will get ask you about the token, so you should must first login, then then get the token in that window, not other window. If you will do with other window, so definitely it will bigger you $5. So first login, then in that tab, in this, like I am login in this account. So I first I will log in Cloud here, then I will open the that URL here. So it will be open, and we will get token. But if you will not, so definitely you can't get it. Gulam, you run Cloud?
Yes, I
Okay.
run 9 router.
Now we will run 9 router also. So first, without, if you are come in my channel first time, so must subscribe this thing, must subscribe for this kind of video and like this video. So now second thing is that 9 router install we have. So first run the 9 router here. So first thing we will discuss when we will run this by this way 9 router one time. So definitely when system will be closed, So 9 router will be also closed. So first we will do hide to tray. Whenever PC will close, so it will be also closed. But when also open, so it will also open. So now we will run this here. This command, everybody knows. This command must, and here is password is simple. 123456 126, and here we log in. If any error you see, so must ask in comment. So without wasting time, first we will connect with providers. So currently I am also login. So we will delete all thing. Then we will do from start everything. So you should must do with, I like Queen Code and Kiro AI. Also I like. So much you should must log in with other accounts. And first thing, main important, I forget to say you before, this is main part, create new account. Create new account for this thing. Create new account. Here I am saying to you, not login with anti-gravity. If you are login with anti-gravity, so must create new account. Create new account, not use your business account and personal account. Here I mentioned this thing. If you will not, so it could be banned. Still I didn't see this thing and I am using, but people said to me in comment, that's why I also tell you this thing. So in this video we will also I log in here and we will use Opus 4.6 thinking model, and everybody will see this. Okay, authorized successfully, everybody can see it. Now combos, what is combos? If one model will be failed, so automatically second will start new, like we will do. And first Gemini 3 Pro. If it will be fail, so direct route the Cloud 4.6 on it. If it will be fail, so 4.6 thinking. So like this thing, auto route, no need we will see the error. So here you can see Cloud Code, OpenClaw, OpenAI Codex, CLI. I log in everywhere. First we should reset the setting and tell you this thing. So here is no, I connected with Cloud Code. First install Cloud Code, and if you want to connect with OpenClaw, if you want to connect with Codex, Open Code, Factory, and every cursor client, here is all thing mentioned. You can do. And look, if I will say hi, so login, this is error now. So we will also fix this at end, but first we will do here, select this model. This Cloud Sonnet, it is running. So we will select here the Gemini 3 Pro or every, I will select this model now. Now we will see this error come or not. So now everybody can see this thing. Which model is running? First we will see Opus. Here is error coming, so we will change. For now I use before. So here I will mention you this thing. The anti-gravity has some limit, so after limit it will reset, so you can direct change the model. Here is all model you can see, and I will connect with Cloud Sonnet 4.5 I use. That's why my limit is finished, so you can use this. If not work, so you can connect with Cloud Code 4.5 also. Before was not running, now we will see this. Okay, so our 4.6 model is running. This is clear. Our Cloud Code is running now, and also we will see the OpenClaw. You can connect with this thing, multiple models, or here we will also select this Cloud 4.5. Now we will select, we will apply it, and now we will also open this. If you don't have OpenClaw, so you can see this setup full. So now you can directly should install, and main thing I am saying again and again, must log in before, and create new account, and must subscribe this channel. Then if you want any kind of this kind of video, so must write to comment, I will see, then I will create that kind of video. Now we will see the this open this or any router, I don't URL I don't remain. OpenClaw was not working. First we will run this. I am not using OpenClaw, but before video I show the how to use OpenClaw. So there you can also see free I created video, and here you can see if it will not work 9 router method. So here is also this method, Claude Code free. If you are from Pakistan and other country, there is not supporting NVIDIA API key. So for this thing, you will watch this thing, how to get NVIDIA API key. So here is also mentioned this thing. So OpenClaw is running. Now we will test it. So here when we will, you will do to directly it will start. No need like this setup we will also do here. We did before also. Now also we will do is this video. One minute, I will tell you the. So we will run this command OpenClaw on board. Then it will ask us the permission. We will yes everything. We will give the permission. Here is I did before, that's why it's not. So I hope you have before login. So I was, and I am not using, just simple setup for all thing. Codex, Cloud and OpenClaw. If Cloud Code, if it will not work, so comment. So I will create new video for this content next. So this here you can select this model. Here is also you can select for Codex. Then apply. Okay. So thank you. So thanks for watching this video.